Alright guys, just finished up a HID install on a 2012 Honda Accord Crosstour. It's got the ballast and decoders under here on this side, and then this side too, same thing underneath the headlight. I also, if you can see the blue reflection in there, I also put M-Tech Platinum high beams. But yeah, there's a good amount of space, put a ballast in there and the CAN bus decoders. So I had to take the bumper off and headlights out like most cars, but put a 5000K HID kit in, so I'm gonna button this back up and then we'll turn on the lights and see how they look.